You like my nails? Oh! Hey CBPs! Welcome to my channel! It's a beautiful day to be alive and I am so happy you tuned in today to the Carolin Petzholdt show! So, like, today's a beautiful day and you know it's really hot in California. So my AC has been acting up and it's an old AC, really old, and finally today I'm getting it replaced and I'm so happy. So the AC guys are here. I'm gonna walk you through and show you right now. There's a hole in the wall. There is a hole in the wall. Hello. Hi, hole. Hi. So this was the old AC hole. They're gonna replace it with a brand new one. And right here, this will be the new one. Look at how small it is. Like, it's really small. And they say they put first the cover in and then the machine. They have to measure the cover with the hole. So let me show you outside. Right here. You see that? That was the monster. The big old one. This must be like the AC from, I don't know, 70s, 80s, I don't know. But it wasn't working. Look, it was all loose and just really disgusting. Look at the compressor. That thing is huge. And this was like the outside thing. Wow, look at how huge this thing is. The new one is like just half size. Wow. And you guys, you can see? Oh, this is the old cover. You can see the new one is just half size. Not even half, a little bigger than, little smaller than half. But check this out. You can see into my apartment. Hi. Hi. Replacing finally my old AC with a new AC, which I'm so happy because it's been so hot. So, oh, there's the new AC. All packaged up. Nice. Oh, it's a fridge. How you say the name? Frigidaire? Frigidaire? How you say the name?
Frigidaire.
Frigidaire. There you go. Frigidaire. So guys, this is my new AC. It's Frigidaire. I think so. Cutting the hole bigger. Look at that. Okay, so while those guys are working on my AC, I have something else for you. So I will be in the garden because it's just too loud to film inside. And check this out. I bought fake nails. Yes! Fake nails! I never had fake nails before and I just thought this is something really cool to do. Merch on California Award, Angelic Parrot in California. Merch and my angelic hat, so I'm black and red today. Okay guys, so let's do this. They say this is kind of like saloon quality everlasting French, and they say it comes kids nails, yeah, pink gel. It comes with glue and it comes with a mini file and manicure stick. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Okay, so we are back with some nail polish remover that luckily I have in the house. Usually I don't have toxic in the house. So let's kind of like clean up my nails. And yeah, I don't like the smell of nail polish remover. They are just really spicy, sharp, and it has just this sharp smell that just really toxic. So try not to do it too often, but hey, for this video I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I think my nails are now clean. There we go. Okay, so let's open the package and see what's in the package. They look really small. Oh, this is the glue. And oh, look. Back here, there's some more nails. Look at this. Oh, look, here's the mini. Okay, so there are the nails. Nice. Okay, so they say we need to select the nails that will fit in our finger. Okay, so, oh wow, look at the difference. This is my original one, and this is my fake one. And I like the French tip. It's not too long. I don't like long nails.
Hey, all right. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo. Energize, realize, feels so good just to be alive. Time's a gift, my time is free. I can spend it on you, you can spend it on me. I can say you'll be blown away by the change you see me. And I feel alright, dance all night, put a little flavor in my life. I put the good stuff in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put the good stuff in. Yeah, yeah. I put the good stuff in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I put the good stuff in every day. I'm gonna be the best version of me. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, roar like a lion, and I ain't even trying. No, 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 no. And I can say you'll be blown away by the change you see me, and I feel alright. Dance all night.
20 minutes later.
Alrighty, let's see how far along are you with the AC. Oh wow, you put already the housing in.
Yeah.
Very nice.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Destiny here will be my first victim. Destiny, you want to see something really cool? Look, new nails. What do you think? What do you think, Destiny? New nails. You want to check them out? Hi. New nails. What do you think? Look, come up here. Look, Destiny. I have new nails. Look. What do you think? Do you like them? Do you like my nails? You wanna go over? Look. Destiny, look, my nails. Oh! He wants to run away from them. I don't think he likes them. You don't like my nails? He's like hiding behind me. Oh, Destiny. Here, I'm gonna show him again. Nails. Nails, Destiny. Oh, he doesn't like them. Okay, this was Destiny. So let's look at the reaction of Faith. What do you think about my new nails? Look. Oh, she's afraid. Oh, she does. Oh! New nails. Oh! And off she goes. Oh, she doesn't like them. Oh. So that was the reaction of Faith. Oh! Right up here. She doesn't like my nails. Look. You like my nails? Oh! Okay, that's definitely a no. So let's go and see Angel's reaction. In his cage, I can't let him out because the AC people are here. Angel, what do you think about my nails? Oh, what is this? What do you think about? Oh, he likes them. Oh, he likes them. What about Hoppy? Hoppy, look, your nails. He likes them too. So 2 out of my 4 birds love my nails. Angel and Hope, they love them. They stick out their tongue. I wanted to like check them out. That means when parrots stick out the tongue, they want to like check it out, they like it, they are curious about it, they want to like lick it and stuff like that. And that's Angel and Hope. And two of my other parrots, the Amazons, the Zons, my greens, they hated it. They were so afraid. They like kind of like flew away, and they were not into it. They didn't even want this close. Even like Faith, she tried to bite me. So swans naturally, like Amazons, they are really like skittish birds. They're not really like very like curious. They're very playful, but they are afraid of new things. Well, Angel and Hope, they are not afraid of new things. They are so curious. They want to play. They want to like check everything out. They want to discover the world. That's so interesting to see. Oh, the wild parrots. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Up there in those trees. Okay, check this out. Tomatoes is growing. Mangoes are growing. Pomegranate is growing. And and this is my you see the sun? The sun kind of burned all my blackberries. This was supposed to be blackberry harvest, but the sun kind of like burned it. But look at that. New blackberries are growing right there. Blackberries. And then guys, check this out. I didn't grow this. This grew right next to my compost, and it grew by itself. Tomatoes! Like, look at that! Huge, humongous tomatoes. And I didn't even grow them. They grew by themselves, right next to the compost. Wow, interesting. Look at how much of a tomato harvest I'm gonna have. Now that I have my nails, I can't even like do garden work. It's just like I have to wait for a whole week. And my cactus is growing too. This is really vicious, and I planted it right in front of the window, so no burglar can get into it. And if they get into it, they get poked by cactus. And here, like really like sharp plants all over my window so that no burglar can get in. Because I'm so smart. I plant cactus right next to my window for burglars not to like break in. Oh, the wild parrots! Where are they? Wild parrots! Ah! Okay, so let's go and watch like to see how far along is the AC, guys. And then we have to go fly Hope. And I hope my nails won't like distract me from flying. Wow, this looks nice now. Looks nice. Good job. You gonna seal it up with
Yeah.
So that no rodents, mice, or rats, or like cockroaches can come in.
No.
Good. And then you'll put in the AC. Yeah, the AC is not in yet. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is the old. What is that? What is that? This was my old AC. Looks so disgusting. Look at my new AC, how gorgeous it is. It's so nice and cool, and oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Those guys did a wonderful job installing it. Look at it, it's like new. It is new. Oh, duh. It is new. So now with those new nails, I don't even know how to wash dishes or how to edit or how to like do like crafting. Look at that, they did it. Oh, I love it. It's so cold. Oh my gosh, that's so cold and so nice. I can't really like grab things. It just feels so unnatural. Like, let's see how long they last. I don't know if they will last a week. They say it's in the box it will last a week. Oh, hi Destiny. But I think it will last just like 3 or 2 days. Oh, 3 or 2 days with birds. Did somebody poo-poo here? Who poo-poo here? Destiny, that bird, poo-poo right here. Destiny, you are guilty again. Right here, in my morning robe. This is living with birds. Okay guys, so this was the vlog for today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget the drill. Subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the like button, comment below, let me know what you think, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.